Sometimes, a quick maneuver can prevent a crash. Evasive steering: if braking alone won't prevent a collision, steer into a clear escape path while maintaining control. Evasive braking: for ABS-equipped vehicles, apply firm, steady pressure to the brake pedal. For non-ABS vehicles, use threshold braking, apply steady pressure but avoid locking the wheels. Evasive acceleration: in certain situations, accelerating may help avoid a side or rear-end crash, for example, moving forward to avoid a sudden rear-end collision. Speed directly impacts crash severity and reaction time. A vehicle traveling at 60 miles per hour takes longer to stop than a football field, 300 feet. Higher speeds increase crash forces exponentially. A vehicle moving at 40 miles per hour has 4x the crash force of one moving at 20 miles per hour. Reducing speed lowers the risk of serious injury or death in crashes. Tip: adjust your speed based on road conditions, weather, and traffic flow, not just the posted speed limit. Drivers must analyze situations quickly and determine the best course of action. Ask yourself: 1. Do I need an escape route? 2. Which lane is safest for this situation? 3. What speed is most appropriate here? 4. Do I need to communicate my intentions? Many driving decisions involve time-sensitive choices that affect safety. Limited choices are clear decision-making. Example: a stop sign requires a simple stop or go decision. Complex situations require evaluating multiple factors. Example: if a vehicle suddenly stops ahead, consider whether to brake, change lanes, or alert other drivers. Thinking ahead reduces reaction time. Anticipating potential hazards makes decision-making automatic and improves reaction time. Time and space management help reduce collision risk and improve control in high-pressure scenarios. Maintain a space cushion. Ahead, keep a 3 to 4 seconds following distance to allow time to react. To the sides, keep 8 feet of space on both sides of your vehicle when possible. Behind, if tailgated, increase the following distance ahead to allow more stopping time. The safest position in traffic: the area with the fewest vehicles surrounding you. Tip: continually scan your environment and adjust your position before potential conflicts occur.